Hi everyone, back for my second part of the bugs and butterflies prompt, and this is where I'm up to. I have filled in the butterfly with blue and purple. I've done the dragonfly in a green and purple. You know, in the sunlight, dragonflies sort of have this iridescent look. And I've actually done French knots for its eyes. It's a bit cartoony, but there you go. I've gone around the outside of the wing. I've done these two bees and the yellow on this bee, and I'm just started I'm using a grey, so I'm not using a black. I'm using a grey, so it's not as stark. And this was the yellow I used. It's a very orangey yellow. And all of the orange have been 6 strands, so I've just tried to get a bit of a fluffier effect. And I've also just started on the beehive, just doing a back stitch with a green for the little windy leaves that are going around the beehive. And I'll probably do the beehive in a natural wood kind of looking brown. So I've got that started and underway. Probably will not do too much more of this green, just simply because I think it's better to do the beehive and then do the greens over the top, so the beehive will be filled in here, and then when I do the green over the top, it'll show as if it's on the outside rather than underneath. But I just started this bit because it's down here out of the way. So I've just started the leg. And I really am enjoying stamping and embroidering over the top of the stamps. That leg's a bit fat, I think. Down the side. Aside from the fact that here it just looks, you can't really see much shape. Or, you know, fine, you can't see too many fine details. It still looks like a bee to me. And you can get a rough idea. Thinking I might make this a very fluffy bee. So I might see if I can get some very fluffy black for that middle of the body in this part. Like an English bumblebee. That's what I was thinking when I did this one. I didn't necessarily think of any type of bee for those. Just definitely this one looks like an English bumblebee though. I'm still undecided whether or not to fill in these wings. I know it's a little bit abstracty, but you can look at it and say, yes, that's a dragonfly. I think if you're doing a field notes journal and you're out in the field, some days your work just might be quick scribbles. It might not be. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look like an absolute perfect sketch of a dragonfly. This little bee is very cute. So that's how that's coming along, and this and this. The only other thing I wanted to do today, now let me find, I might put this just under here. And I just need a little bit of paper. Just want to put, does say, it says number, but it's not showing up as number, but that's okay. It kind of looks like some random little thing at the start of some letters. I like that. And the other thing, just want to do wings. Like that. I just have to check whether this has got enough ink on it because I haven't used it for a little while. Oops, glasses. Can't see without my glasses. Anyone remember that one? Fearless Fly. Be happy. I just want to put that down here somewhere. How cute. Ah, that's funny. So that's my little weekly Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. I'm going to go and finish the hive and the little bee, and I think that'll be, I can say that that's the end of this particular prompt, and let's see what comes out next week. I'm very excited because I am going to take a week for myself and go on some exciting adventures in my car. I've got some interesting things coming up that I will show you in a video, but I'm very excited to go and spend a day at the Green Door Studio again, which is wonderful. Just popping in on the half a day drop-in one where we can just sit and stitch and chat, and I'm very excited and so looking forward to doing that. So okay, this is it for this week, and thank you for coming along for the journey. Wonderful. Hi to new subscribers, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.